Hello, hello. Over to you, Chetan. First of all, please someone record this. Last time my friends tried to order it. And I'll start with disclaimers. It's all fictional. Please don't take it personally. They have given me only 5 minutes. I guess that will be my goal guys. And also,
माइक
क्या हानिकारक होता है और धूम्रपान लंग्स को गला सकता है. Can you hear me right? तो शराब पीना सेहत के लिए हानिकारक होता है और धूम्रपान लंग्स को गला सकता है. So I'll start with, I was talking to a friend, he asked me where I am working. I told him like, you should guess, it's a best brand for earth movers equipments. Can you guess what it would be? Oh damn, I didn't expect that. You also think that. At least we should not think that way. He also told the same that it's JCB. I told him we are talking about the best, not the cheapest. Thank you. I didn't expect this much applause on this. Because most of you are thinking about JCB. Okay. I told him that, then he asked me about what about the competitors that are there. I told him a huge tree will let the plants and grass grow near it, but never let it go taller than it. And if you want to see the huge tree, you have to look upside. Thoda buttering ho gaya. Now I'll move to the content. As we say, Caterpillar is the best earth movers. Being a part of CAT, I am the best of the food movers. I'll move the food from plate to my stomach very quickly. I don't know the names I'm going to mention, will they be here or not, but Jagan is one of my teammates, just for introduction, is one of the best among meeting movers. He'll move the postpone the meeting all the time. Mithun is one of the guy, he is a greetings mover. He'll raise his hand about 100-200 meters away and then greet you from there on. Arvind is one of the guy, he is the best gossip mover. He will not let the gossip stop anywhere. Radhakrishna is one of the best among weight movers, carrying a 10 kg bag every week from Mysore to Bangalore. Very difficult. And let me talk about my manager. He's not here, that's why I'm saying this. Okay, so he forwards the appreciation really well and I really appreciate that. Please forward my appreciation to him. There is one more guy, Dhananjay there. He is one of the best emotions mover. Whatever you are talking about, he will move your emotions to something funny or something sad. He will tell his own stories. I guess all of you must have attended the mock drills, right? At least we'll get to know about how physically fit we are. I am not. Because in worst case, I really doubt the states are going to help. Instead, I will say they should make people do mock drills more frequently, like games period we used to have weekly in our school. Because at least once we can have some physical activities. Oh, sorry. I didn't knew like people are liking this much. And if you see from the view that we get from the window, you see two pools there. One pool that you cannot access, but that is beautiful, that you can swim in. And one pool that you can access, but you cannot swim in. I guess they kept it like that so that they can tease us and tell us we cannot afford that. Okay, initially when I came to PSN, it gave me a feeling that Bangalore is based out, located on a hill or something because of the ramp that we saw while coming in. And I was very proud of the logic that I applied, and that is why maybe the climate is so good here. But then someone told me that it is actually based on a lake. And like, oh shit, my logic is so bad now. I always suspect my intelligence whenever I give some idea to anyone. Partiality, I think it should not be anywhere, right? You guys agree or not? Okay. I guess now I'm on my task to bore you. So cafeterias are actually showing the partiality everywhere. From sink to the oven, they are showing the partiality among veg and non-veg. In our office, if you go to the 11th floor, the best of the interactions happens at the seats directly in front of the cafeteria. And I really appreciate that they have made it like that. Somewhere at least people can have the interaction, because nobody is using the sofas that they have kept at the meeting room there. But sadly now they have kept some sheets over there that will actually reduce that has actually affected the employee interaction heavily. And I still couldn't understand the reason for 4 sofas that they have kept in the center of the office. because they are the only thing that are waiting for the guests since long. Okay, you have seen a lot of plants kept there in our office. I guess management is so careful about us. They don't they don't want us to feel all the time, any of the time left out, even if you are working late nights. Some one of the living people will be there. And to the judges, I have made friends with them. Don't worry about it. And yesterday I refreshed my friendship with them so that they can recall my when I'm going to perform. And I don't care about the performance that you guys are giving. What is mine? Thank you.